yesterday. Today they are like paupers. Why? The source of their money were never clean. The source of their money were never from God. That's why today they are poor. The Bible said the blessings of God maketh man to rich, and he added no sorrow. If God bless you, he will give you health to enjoy the money. Why will you have money and then pay daily to enjoy the money in the hospital? You are actually suffering. But he paid. You are more poor. You are more poorer than the poor. Am I communicating? Success. If I say remember the God, for he is the one that gives you knowledge, wisdom to make wealth. It is from God. Victory is from God. It's from God. It's from God. Don't try to seek it elsewhere. You go use your mama, use your papa, use your family, use your intestine, use your manhood, use everything. Yet you still remain poor. You still remain poor. Yet you cannot still enjoy the money. Is that the life? Is that the life? Is that the life? Baserebere lórí mi, baserebere láyé mi, baserebere lórí mi, baserebere, oh baserebere